It is one of the best traveled of the pack. But what makes this place more famous among people than any other European destination
your hair braided with extensions. The staff is also your
Gracias.